So good morning everyone. In last class we have completed our exercise 11.1. So today we are going to start this 11.2 now. So in this first bit we will see. So what is first bit? Complete the table. So we have to complete the table here. So first expression they have given, second expression we have to find the product. Product means we have to multiply the first expression as well as second expression. So first one already they have given, so I am starting from second one. So in this first bit, second one, so what is that? First expression is KL plus LM plus MN, and second expression is what is that? 3K. So what we have to do? We have to multiply these two terms. So here first one is KL plus LM plus MN. So this is a trinomial because it is having three terms, and this 3K is only a single term. So it is what? Monomial. So we are multiplying monomial with trinomial. So what we are doing? We are multiplying monomial with trinomial. So do the product now. Product is equals to 3K into KL plus LM plus MN. So first you multiply the terms. So 3K should be multiplied with KL also, and 3K should be multiplied with LM also, and this 3K should be multiplied with MN also. So now multiply the terms with 3K. Each and every term should be multiplied with 3K. So that is 3K into KL. Here plus is there, so plus 3K into LM. Plus is there, so plus 3K into MN. Okay, so multiply now. 3 is only a constant number, so write 3 as it is. K into K is K square. Only one L is there, you write as it is. Next, plus 3 into 1 will be 3. K, only 1 K, 1 L and 1 M. So that is 3KLM. Next is 3 1 is 3. So only 1K, 1 M and 1 N. So this is our solution. Okay. So third bit in this, third question, that is AB square. First expression is AB square, and second expression is A plus B square plus C cube. So we have to multiply these two expressions. Again this is a monomial because it is having only single term, and this is trinomial. It is having three terms. Okay, so again we are multiplying monomial with trinomial. So that is the product is equals to AB square into, write this, A plus B square plus C cube. Now each and every term should be multiplied with AB square. So AB square into A. Here plus is there, so plus. Now AB square into B square. Here plus is there, so plus. Again AB square into C cube. Okay, so now you multiply. A into A is A square, only one B square is there, right as it is, plus A as it is. B square into B square will be B power 4 plus only 1A, 1 B square and C square. So this is our result of second one. Okay, so next one, in this fourth, that is the first term is first expression. First expression they have given as x minus 2y plus 3z, and second expression is, what is second expression? X, y, z. So in this first expression, this is trinomial and the second one is monomial. So we are doing multiplication of monomial to trinomial. So product is equals to xyz into x minus 2y plus 3z. So each and every term should be multiplied with xyz here. So xyz into x, here minus is there, so minus, again xyz into 2y plus, again we have to multiply this xyz with 3z. So xyz into 3z. Okay, now x into x is x square, only one y is there and one z, minus here you multiply now, 2 1s is 2, only one x is there, y into y is y square, only one z. Okay, now you multiply the third term, 3 into 1 will be 3, only one x, only one y, and z into z will be z square. So what is the result here? X square yz minus 2x y square z plus 3x yz square is our result. Next, last one in this. So fifth one. So first expression is, what is first expression? A square BC plus B square CD minus AB D square. And second expression is, what is second expression? A square B square C square. So here first expression is trinomial and second expression is monomial. So we are doing monomial to trinomial. So product is equals to, that is a square b square c square into, write this whole term, a square bc plus b square cd minus abd square. Okay, now in this each and every term should be multiplied with a square b square and c square. So a square b square c square into, write this term, a square bc, here plus is there, so plus, now this with this, that is a square b square c square into b square cd, here minus is there, so minus, again last is a square b square c square into abd square. Okay, now multiply the terms. A square into a square will be a power 4, 2 plus 2 will be 4, b square into b will be b cube, 2 plus 1 will be 3, c square into c will be c cube, plus, now you multiply these terms, only one a square is there, so write as it is, b square into b square will be b power 4, c square into c will be c cube, and only one d is there, write as it is. Now minus, here a square into a will be a cube, b square into b will be b cube, only one c square term and one d square term. So this is our first bit. We have multiplied monomial with trinomial terms. Okay, now second bit, simplify. What is the second bit? Simplify 4y into 3y plus 4. So what we have to do? We have to multiply these two. Simplify is nothing but we have to multiply. So given 4y into 3y plus 4. So this 4y is a monomial and this 3y plus 4 is a binomial. So we are multiplying monomial with binomial. So this monomial term should be multiplied with both of should be multiplied with this bracket term. That means this whole term should be multiplied with 4y. Okay, so 4y should be multiplied with 3y also and 4y should be multiplied with 4 also. So what it will be? 4y into 3y. Here plus is there, so plus 4y into 4. Okay, now multiply the coefficients first. 4 3s is 12. Y into y is y square plus 4 4s is 16 y. So what is the result? You got it as 12 y square plus 16 y. So this 12 and 16 will go in 4 table. Again that will be same thing. If you take the common term, again it will be 4y plus 3y, 4y into 3y plus 4. So if you take out the common terms from 4 and y from this term, again it will be converted into question. Okay, so this is our second bit. Next, third bit is simplify x into 2x square minus 7x plus 3 and find the values of 8 for x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 0. So we have to replace with x value as 0 and 1. So what is the question here? They have given as x into 2x square minus 7x minus 3. Okay, so this question they have given and we have to substitute x is equals to 1 and also x is equals to 0. Okay, so in this question we have to substitute in place of x 1 and 0. So first I am substituting x is equals to 1. What I am doing? I am substituting x in place of x. I have to substitute as 1. So x means 1 into 2 into 1 square minus 7 into 1 minus 3. Okay. So 1 square will be 1. 1 into 2 will be 2 minus 7 ones are 7 minus 3. So how much it will be? 1 into 2 minus 7 will be minus 5 minus 3. So that will be minus 8. So 1 into minus 8 will be minus 8. So if you substitute in place of x as 1, you got the result as minus 8. Okay, so here it is. Sorry, this is plus 3. So the result will be 1 into minus 2, that will be equals to minus 2. So what I did, in place of x I have substituted 1. So 1 into 2 into 1 square minus 7 into 1 plus 3. So 1 square will be 1. 1 into 2 will be 2. Minus 7 plus 3. So 2 minus 7 will be minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 will be minus 2. So answer is minus 2. So 1 into minus 2 will be equals to minus 2. Now what I am doing, I am substituting x value as 0. So in this expression, I am substituting the x value as 0 now. So I am keeping x is equals to 0. So 0, 2 into 0 square minus 7 into 0 plus 3. So if you multiply 0 with any number, that will be equals to 0 only. So the result will be 0 here. So 0 into any number will be 0 itself. So this 0 we are multiplying with whole term, that will be equals to 0. So this is our third bit. Next, fourth one. Okay, so what is fourth one? add the product. Fourth bit, add the product. So what is a given question? That is a into a minus b, b into b minus c, and c into c minus a. So first what we have to do, we have to add these all products. So add means in place between the comma you have to keep it as plus. So solution, that is how to write a into a minus b plus, now b into b minus c plus c into c minus a. Okay, so we have to add all the terms after multiplying each and every term. So this a should be multiplied with a and this a should be multiplied with b also. In the same way, b should be multiplied with b, b should be multiplied with c also. In the same way, c should be multiplied with c and c should be multiplied with a also. So first you multiply. So a into a, directly I am writing a, directly I am multiplying the terms. A into a square, minus a into b is ab, plus here plus is there, so plus b into b square, minus b into c, bc. Okay, so directly I am multiplying and writing. So plus c into c square, minus c into a is ca. So if you are having any like terms, you can add or you can leave it as it is. So bring all ABC terms together. A square plus b square plus c square. Okay, no AB term is there, so minus AB. No BC term is there, so minus BC. No CA term is there, minus CA. So this is our result. Okay, so this is our fourth bit. Next is subtract. Fifth bit, same as fourth one. Add the product. So what I have given, x into x plus y minus r, comma y into x minus y plus r, comma z into x minus y minus z. So in place of commas you have to replace it as plus there. So replace it as plus. So solution, so what is that? X into x plus y minus r plus y into x minus y plus r plus z into x minus y minus z. Now each and every term should be multiplied here again. X with x, x with y, x with r. In the same way, y with x, y with y, y with r you have to multiply. Z with x we have to multiply. Z with y we have to multiply. Z with z also we have to multiply. So directly I am multiplying x into x, x square plus x into y, xy minus x into r, xr. Now here plus is there, so keep it as plus. Y into x, yx minus y into y, y square plus y into r, yr. Now here plus is there, so plus z into x, zx minus z into y, zy minus z into z is z square. Okay, if you are having any like terms you can add here. So first you write square terms together. X square minus y square minus z square. Okay, now plus xy, anywhere you are seeing the xy term, here xy, no xy term, so write as it is. Next, xr, anywhere you are seeing xr, no, so write as it is. Yx, anywhere you are seeing yx, no, so write as it is. Next, already minus y square we wrote. Yr, no yr, no zx and no zy. So I wrote as all the terms as it is because don't have any like terms. Okay, so all are unlike terms here, so write in order. Okay, so this is our 5th bit. So remaining bits 6th, 7th and 8th we will continue tomorrow. Thank you.